Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS is an outstanding express yacht. Over the past few days, we've motored to a few favorite local restaurants, spent a day on the sand paddleboarding, kayaking, and diving, entertained friends and family dockside, and cruised across Lake Michigan at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. And the beach store provides water sport enthusiasts with a much higher level of access to the water.
Your boating comfort starts with this extra roomy bow with a built-in table that converts to this very relaxing sun pad. An optional sunshade attaches from the front of the bow to the hardtop. It's very easy to assemble. Hideaway cup holders, an anchor locker, and Rockford Fosgate speakers with custom stainless steel grills complete the features on the bow.
Moving through an easy opening port side door to the helm and entertainment spaces, you'll find luxury amenities everywhere. Stainless bar stools that swivel, a sink, raised solid surface bar, optional grill, large storage cabinet, refrigerator, built-in cooler with drain, hardtop with opening canvas sunroof, and abundant lounge seating with storage underneath. Complete the port side features. Moving starboard, you'll find pure adrenaline. The helm is outfitted with a Simrad electronics cluster with joystick control, a bolster helm chair, custom tilt steering wheel, and conductive smartphone charging station create a comfortable and functional command center. Perhaps the coolest feature on the 38 GLS is this beach door.
With the door extended outward, it creates a wraparound transom that offers unprecedented access to the water. Combine the beach door with a transom shower, and concealed swim ladder, and you can see why water sport enthusiasts are raving about this smart design. It's functional and efficient.
Moving below deck through this sliding glass door with a screen is comfortable. Grab bars are in just the right places.
The cabin features a large berth that converts to a dinette, with the full beam berth positioned aft, refrigerator, microwave, full stand-up head with shower, optional TV, and entertainment system, all within a space that boasts over 6 feet 5 inches of headroom.
The 38 GLS sparked my imagination in so many ways. The yacht's versatility and ride performance are outstanding. Contact your nearest Cruisers Yachts dealership to schedule a sea trial. We'll see you on the water.